an average person spends almost 15 hours listening to music per week. So if you're one of those people that enjoy listening to music every day or most of your time during the course of the week, then this video is just for you. So I'm going to tell you how you can make money from just listening to music. So let's get straight into it. What's up everybody, it's your boy Quentin hitting with another video of how you can make money online. So basically today I'm going to be talking about an application that pays you to make money listening to music as well as doing other stuff. So this application has been there for a while. The application is current app, also known as Mod N app, because it has been recently changed to Mod N app, which is an application that mainly focuses on offering music from different type of channels, genres that you can be able to get music from. So the type of the music that they have on their application comes from the trending gospel, there is soul, there's R&B, there is hip hop, there is pop, there's Latin, there is EDM, then there is also sports news as well as comedy. So these are the type of channels that they offer on their application. So apart only from focusing on music, listen to music, because only listening to music is not going to make you much money. There are other offers that they give, other tasks that they give on their website, on their application. For example, you can also earn money from doing surveys that depending on the type of companies that will be advertising their products or want to get a review of their products on the website or on the application. Then also you can earn money from watching ads, video ads of different application that just been launched, as well as a pre-test of application. Then there is also another way that you can earn money, which is from playing games, which is one of the most paying way of using the application, playing games. So when playing games, there are different type of offers in games that they offer, as long as you are under the current app. Then you can also apart from playing games, you can also make money from charging your phone and from the application giving a low screen every time you unlock. You're also going to get some certain coins or points that you're going to redeem for US dollars. So apart from the other ways of earning money, apart from listening to music, doing surveys, watching video ads, playing games, charging your phone, there are other offers that they give on a daily basis depending on the what deals that they have, whereby maybe they can just ask you to sign up to a certain new website, maybe of cryptocurrency. Then if you sign up, you are going to get maybe $3 or $5 as a new member of the application, due to the relationship that they have, the application and the website that has been launched as a marketing tool. Then you are going to get certain coupon codes from the Mod app or the current app. Then you're going to access that $3 or $5 that you're going to withdraw, or maybe you can start doing maybe reinvesting it into a cryptocurrency world. Then also there are some deals whereby you just have to sign up. You just have to sign up, then you get certain commission, you get certain benefits from joining as well. So let's go straight to the withdrawal methods. The main withdrawal method that is there is PayPal. So from PayPal, you can withdraw from as little as $1 to as much as $20 or $30, depending with where you want to withdraw your money. Then there is also coupons. They get different type of coupons that they offer from Amazon and other different coupons that you can use for shopping online, as well as in person, as well as Visa gift cards as well. Then apart from that, you can also withdraw your money through subscription to certain website like Netflix, like Share a Skill. Then you can all be able to actually benefit from your withdrawal from doing that. Then the other thing where you can be able to withdraw from the application is buying gadgets on the app application. For example, you can get a phone, you can get Beats headphones, you get earpods from the application. So after this video, I'm going to get through the application so that you can see how it looks like, as well as the type of tasks that actually they'll be offering. So these are type of ways that you can make money from the application. So basically, if you're serious with the application, you can make a withdrawal from you can earn around $50 to around $80 a month, depending with the time that you commit from the application. But as for me, I really maybe commit to the application. I get around $20 to $30 a month. Since I'll be doing other stuff, I only mainly gain it from listening to music, as well as playing games on my leisure time when I'm not doing anything. So this is a very good app, and it is worldwide. It doesn't have any regional restriction that you can be concerned about. So if you want, you can go check it out. I'm going to put the link right below this video in the description bio, so you can go and click the link. And also, don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, so that you can see upcoming videos that are going to be posting, especially if you're in Zimbabwe. If you're in Africa, in the third world country, I'm going to be posting website and ways of making money online that is appreciated here in the countries that we are, since other applications are rarely accepted in regions. Until then, cheers. We'll see you in the next video.